Carrizo Plain National Monument. Taking a nice little walk. Hey, sweetie. This is in the middle of nowhere. That's looking down over there on the San Andreas Fault. The distance. Not the rock, but across the valley. It's interesting up on these rocks. These little puddles. Rained here recently, so the puddles have filled up. But what's more interesting to me are these little holes that look completely artificial. Like maybe hundreds of years ago they ground corn or some sort of grain in there. Hey, sweetie. That's usually what I get. The tongue sticking. What's also interesting, I think, is this lichen. It's green and orange and kind of a light green, brown, just all different colors of lichen. I'm liking it. Oh, that was a bad joke. I got a courtesy laugh from Jean, so that works. This is that overhanging rock. Let's check for bats in there. That looks like a good place for bats. This is a dry lake bed. Carrizo Plain National Monument. When it rains, the water fills up this lake bed, and then it just evaporates out, leaving all this salt. And we're pretty close to being on the San Andreas Fault. That's Jean tentatively stepping up onto the lake bed. Now we're gonna have a salty car, I guess. Oh, good. alkali lake. Looks like there might be some water in it still from the rains the other day. And it is raining down that way.